Hey, what's cooking, Jay?
Hello everyone, welcome back to Gunter's Kitchen. Today we're making chili con carne. So, beautiful beef mince. Buy the best quality beef mince you can get. Not too fat, lean, beautiful. You need your spices, salt, pepper, cayenne, cumin, coriander, cocoa and smoked paprika. You need a couple of medium-sized onions, 3 carrots, a couple of cloves of garlic, diced tomatoes and black beans. Now I use black beans. Of course you can use red kidney beans if you wish, but I prefer those because they're just a bit nicer. Alright, so let's start. Onions. Cut in half. Peeled. Sliced. We're peeling 3 carrots. Our preparation is done. So now let's cook. Just a little tip. Make sure you keep your knife sharp. It's very important to have a nice sharp knife so you don't cut yourself. If you force your knife, then suddenly the carrot gets away from you and you cut yourself. So make sure you sharpen your knife before you start cutting your onions or your carrots. Most important, as always, hot frying pan. We've got a stainless steel one. Then we add our olive oil. We're adding the beef. So what we like is we like to have color on our beef. As you can see, it's showing water, but it won't be for long because we heated the frying pan up really well. So now let's just set it like this until the water has disappeared and then we start stirring it. So the liquid is nearly all disappeared. Now we start moving it. Just remember, we want color on that. Color means caramelization. Caramelization means flavor. Okay, so now we're having color on the beef. Now let's take it out. Olive oil in. Onion and garlic in. Cook it until it's got a little bit of a color. Okay, so the onions are cooked enough, so now we're adding the spices. And all weights and measurements are going to be in the descriptions. So just check it out and see how you go. As always, when you add the spices with the hot ingredients, you get the flavor. The flavor comes out more and more. You can just smell it. It smells already absolutely delicious. Now, what we're going to do, it doesn't require it, but we like to have a little bit of wine in it and a little bit for the chef. The chef deserves a bit of wine too. We have 300 ml of beef stock. Just get the one with low salt. 2 cans of chopped tomatoes. Rinse them out a little with some cold water. Then add the carrots. And then we're adding the beef. I hope it's not too full. I'll be right. The chili has been cooking for 45 minutes. Now we let it cook. Slowly, not rigorously, just slowly for about half an hour and then we'll try. But it will need about an hour. It's like the bolognese sauce. The longer you cook it, the more flavor you get. It's just a little bit patience is required. So in the meantime, cheers. Now we're adding the black beans. We drained them, we washed them, now we just add them. And now we let it cook for another 15 minutes. Fresh coriander just finishes it off in the right way. The chili is finished. Doesn't it just look great? Sour cream, coriander just finishes it off perfectly. Have some brown rice with it, or normal rice if you wish. I'm sure it is to your liking. So have a go, try it. and let me know how it turns out. As always, follow, like, subscribe, keep notifications on for Wednesdays and Saturdays for our cooking and our baking. And I'll see you soon at Gunter's Kitchen on YouTube. Bye for now.